everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for 12 Days of Christmas, the Holiday Music Edition. And today I am working with my November Hip Kit Club. And so I'm using this exclusive paper. I love this beautiful red pattern, and it has this beautiful tree pattern on the other side. And just trying to decide which side I was gonna, if I wanted the bigger to be the green or the bigger to be the red. So I decided I wanted the red in there. I really enjoyed that pattern. So I just tore a piece off, and then I'm sticking it down like fully on one side, and then I'm going to tuck this little extra piece down the other side. And then I have these 3 photos of my kids from last year decorating the tree, and they're kind of taken in different light levels, and I tried to fix them up a little bit and it didn't 100% work. So I thought a great way to minimize that difference is to put them in these frames. And these are from the chipboard from the Hip Kit exclusives. And I'm just going to pull 3 frames and put them on the photos. And then it really kind of zooms your eye in to the kids, which are really the main, you know, attraction of the photo, I guess. And yeah, I wanted to use that blue one that I put on the picture of my youngest daughter on my son's photo, and I messed it up and I put it on the wrong one. So then I had to kind of figure out which frame I was going to use over his. And I ended up using a taller one, which works better because of the different angle that his photo was taken in. So now I'm using some foam just to create the dimension that I needed to back the photos with. And this layout actually came together super fast, I think less than 20 minutes. So I have those photo clusters, and my title is going to be All I Want for Christmas Is. And I am using the like Mariah Carey version instead of the All I Want for Christmas Is My 2 Front Teeth. I think we had originally discussed using the 2 Front Teeth as our song, but I just, yeah, I don't know. I couldn't come up with anything. So I'm using these thickers, and I feel like these came in a Hip Kit Club kit a couple of months ago. But I could be wrong. I don't remember where they came from. So I just spelled out the All I Want For, and then there's a banner that says Xmas, so I thought that that worked out well. And then I put 3 trees down at the bottom from the exclusive die cuts, and then that flower up at the top. And yeah, now I'm just going to adhere everything down. I was thinking that I wanted to use the red thickers for the word is, but then they don't end up fitting, so I'm going to go back to the black thickers that I used there. And I added that little penguin down at the bottom because I thought he was super cute. And then I'm going to add some foam to the back of this flower just for, you know, some dimension on the side. And I just backed this on a piece of white cardstock. I was thinking about doing all pattern paper, but I'm kind of hoarding a little bit of the pattern paper, so I didn't want to do that and then not be able to use it for something else. So I put those 2 plain trees in the background down flat, and then I'm popping the penguin and the decorated tree up on some foam. And then I'm going to pull in these red thickers that are also from Hip Kit and try to put the word is, but it doesn't fit. So I'm going to skip that, and then I'm going to put the word you on each one of the photos, and then I'm going to use the ampersands. So it's going to be you and you and you. I know that the title is kind of like backwards, like I should have put the title on the other side, but that doesn't bother me. I'm not going to concern myself with that. So just getting those straight and then really sticking them down well, and then I'm going to come in with the ampersands. and then the word is, and then that's going to be the end of my layout. So I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to head on over and check out Christy's channel. I have a link down below for that. And yeah, I hope you're enjoying our series, and I will see you again tomorrow. Oh, I forgot I'm going to add a little doodly pen border. So thanks for watching. Bye.